We're going to be unboxing the Movo PM10 lavalier microphone, which is omnidirectional polar pattern, high quality condenser, universal compatibility, and it is plug and play. That's always a good thing to see on a box, that it's plug and play. That means it's really simple, and this will work with your smartphone. Left side of the box has the website along with the social media. Right side of the box has Movo Creators Wanted. Bottom side of the box has nothing, but the top side of the box has wait, activate 2-year warranty. Check back of the box. Okay, we'll do that. Back of the box has a story to tell about the team who made this and what's in the box. What is in the box is the lavalier microphone, foam wind screen to get rid of those pops and wind sound, a lapel clip, an extra lapel clip, and a carrying pouch. And it also gives you a QR code to take a picture of, or a link that you go to for the 2-year warranty. Okay, let's open this thing up. Everything came in a drawstring bag. In the top left-hand corner is some paperwork on support, whether you're happy or sad. Then they give you a booklet on how to use your microphone. They give you a package of silica gel. Don't eat it. You get the microphone, you get 2 wind screens, and you get 2 clips. This is the microphone unraveled. Now, I grabbed the microphone with my left hand and grabbed the plug with my right hand, and I stretched both of my arms out, and it was long enough to reach from hand to hand. So that's a good 5-6 foot long cord right there. Okay, so I have plugged in the microphone into my Google Pixel 4 XL, and I have it pinned just a little bit below the collar of my t-shirt, so I'm not so close to my mouth. I'm going to talk up, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to talk down, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to talk to the left, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to talk to the right, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. Now I'm going to tap the microphone just a little bit, just so you know that it's there. 1, 2, 3. That's what it sounds like when it's plugged directly into your phone, and there's no need for an app or anything. It plugs and plays just like it says on the box. I paid about $15 for this microphone, and it's not bad for the amount of money I paid for it, and it's the right price. So if it gets messed up, you don't shed no tears, you just get another one out. And of course, like any other musical equipment, it takes a little time and effort, and you got to find out what the right distance is and what's the best mixing level for the volume and everything, and where it sounds best placed on people's shirts. Trial and error as usual. All right, my brothers and sisters, later.